the US has labeled Tencent as a Chinese military company. So, who is Tencent? It's a Chinese conglomerate that's been expanding since 1998. Today, they offer products that nearly everyone uses. Among their most famous services is WeChat, a messaging app that practically does everything in China. While it's not as popular outside China, it's widely used there. They also own QQ, another messaging platform that does not have as much of a global presence but is very popular in China. They also own Tencent Video, which is like a Chinese Netflix, also Tencent Music, which includes several music streaming platforms in China, and of course Tencent Games, which is where it's really going to get the most attention and have the most global presence. For example, they have some games like Honor of Kings, PUBG Mobile, and they also own Riot Games. Tencent, the creators of League of Legends, also hold a major stake in Epic Games, the creators of Fortnite. As you can see, Tencent backs several popular games today. But here's the issue. The United States has added this company to the list of Chinese military companies. This list consists of companies that, according to the US government, have connections with the Chinese People's Liberation Army. So, at the moment, it's not a direct sanction, but it could complicate negotiations with other companies or US investments significantly. Tencent hasn't been silent. They have stated that this is a misunderstanding and have expressed their readiness to fight, even considering legal action if necessary. This action occurs within a context where tensions are escalating between the United States and China, particularly concerning technology. If not, just ask Huawei. As China continues to advance in technology, countries like the US are taking more aggressive steps to try to protect themselves. But for now, what does this mean for users? I think in the short term, there's nothing drastic, but as I tell you, Tencent could become more restricted in the future, and for now, a little bit of difficulty in getting more investment.